Hi guys, it's Katrina here. How's it going? Was that believable? Chodo ye sab guys. Hi, I'm back again. My name is Meher and I'm the social media manager at Foxtail. First of all, before I start the video, I want to thank all of you guys for making our last video where I reacted to Alia Bhatt's skincare routine a huge success.
I am so honored by this.
If you still haven't seen it, what are you doing? It's in the description. Go watch it first before you watch this one. तो जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, आज की वीडियो is a little special because I'll be recreating this look of Katrina Kaif right here. And by the way, I'm also excited because we'll be revealing something very special and very near and dear to my heart, which I have been dying to share with you guys. So stay tuned. So as you guys can see, मेरे eyes के नीचे के जो expensive bags है means I have no makeup on. So let's start with prepping our base because a good base equals excellent makeup and who doesn't want that, right? So if you guys have been following us on Instagram at Foxtail Skin, by the way, you know कि हम आपको कितने दिनों से tease करते आ रहे हैं कि something exciting is coming up. Well, that is, we are launching 4 new products and it's our first launch ever. So the 4 products that we'll be launching soon are going to be a hydrating cleanser, an amazing brightening vitamin C serum, a ceramide powered moisturizer, and last but most important, SPF. I'll be using the lab samples today on my face because employee perks. And we have been working hard for over a year and a half in formulating these products. We've heard and spoken to over 3,000 women all over the country. उनके skin stories सुने हैं, उनके skin nightmares सुने हैं, and उनको क्या चाहिए, basically वो हमने सब सुना है. आपका सारा feedback लेकर we have worked with the best skin experts out there to get you these basic but essential skincare products. क्योंकि यार we realize that लोगों को basic skincare routine का importance ही नहीं पता है. And most of your skin problems like rosacea, acne, hyperpigmentation can be solved if you just focus on all these 4 products. Trust me. And by the way, लोगों से मेरा मतलब है मैं भी. I just kept buying skincare products and different stuff and kept putting it on my face and my skin kept getting worse. But Baba ji ka shukr hai, I finally saw some sense and decided to fix my basic skincare routine with these 4 products, and trust me, my skin has been so much better ever since I started this. And वैसे भी यार, who has the time to do a 6, 7, 8 step skincare routine? None of us. तो चलें अब, let's try out these products and start prepping my skin, which is the first step to this entire recreation. ये funky transition इसलिए डाला था ताकि I could quickly go wash my face with the new Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser. You know that feeling you get when you wash your face and your skin feels absolutely tight? खुश मत हो guys, that's not how you're supposed to feel. It just means that your cleanser is not doing its job and stripping your skin. The good part about the Foxtail cleanser is that it is absolutely hydrating. It's going to make your skin feel calm and relaxed, and that's what a good cleanser is supposed to do. But wait, the best thing about this cleanser is we have formulated the products in a way that you get all the benefits of double cleansing without the unnecessary jhanjat. Okay, so now that my skin is cleansed, I'm going to introduce you to the Foxtail Vitamin C Serum. And look at this gorgeous component. Now this is a lab sample guys, this is not the finished product. As I said, I'm using only lab samples because employee perks. And this, I don't think you've ever seen this component in the market yet. Just look at this. So now I'm just going to take 4 to 5 pumps of this serum. That should be enough. And now I'm just going to warm it up in my fingers and apply it on my face. Remember to press your serums in and make sure यार आप neck को भूल नहीं रहे हो. My videographer is saying that my skin has never looked this glowy and bright. I mean, I'm though in Mumbai, but if you guys are in any other part of the country जहाँ सर्दी पड़नी चालू हो गई है, this product is going to save your life. The Foxtail Vitamin C Serum is going to fight dullness and dryness and make sure you're secure this winter. Cleansing done, Vitamin C Serum done, and now I'm going to moisturize with the Foxtail Ceramide Power Moisturizer. I know ऐसे लग रहा है आपको कि मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ, guys, ऐड कर भी रही हूँ और नहीं भी. Now to anyone who's like, what the f*** is ceramides? Let me tell you, Ceramides are basically the building blocks of your skin, and जैसे जैसे आपकी एज होती जाती है, these building blocks start decreasing and you start looking a little older, and so this moisturizer is going to help you fight all of that, and it's also going to help you hydrate your skin to the T. It's creamy, it's hydrating, and the best part is, guys, that it's good for all skin types. Yes, so if you have dry skin, acne prone skin, sensitive skin, ये सब कुछ सॉल्व कर देगा और हर स्किन टाइप के लिए सॉल्व करेगा. आई नो कि मैंने आपका काफ़ी टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया है, बट लेट मी जस्ट गेट टू द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रेप रूटीन, विच इज़ द फॉक्सटेल सनस्क्रीन. गाइज, हम सनस्क्रीन को इनफ इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते हैं. ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप रिलीजियसली सनस्क्रीन लगाओगे तो आपके हाफ ऑफ योर स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी सॉल्व्ड, वेदर इट्स योर एक्ने, वेदर इट्स योर रोजेशिया, हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन, everything gets solved if you just apply sunscreen religiously every single day. Yes, indoors and outdoors. And to everyone who says like, oh my god, my skin gets so greasy, you need the Foxtail SPF in your life. Trust me, and the best part about this also is that you don't need much of it. Like the cardinal rule of sunscreen is the 3-finger rule, where you have to apply 3 fingers for your face and your neck. But with our sunscreen, you can apply a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. Okay guys, so now that my skin is prepped and ready, I'm going to pray to Katrina once and ask her to give me the skill and the strength to recreate this look right here. Okay, so now I'm going to start by putting on the foundation, and for this I'm using the Dior Backstage foundation, and I'm going to be applying it with a flat brush. Now you might be wondering why I'm not using a beauty blender. Guys, the look is quite glowy, and if you want to achieve that, you definitely have to change the way you apply the product. So this is going to work wonders in terms of application. And guys, I know that Dior is quite bougie, but trust me, you can just get a really great affordable foundation as well. And I recommend you use the K by Katrina Hydrating Foundation. I'm not trying to just push Katrina's product, guys. That foundation is actually a really great dupe for the Dior Backstage foundation. So now I'm just applying the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in this motion, but I'm just going to conceal the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes. Guys, जब आप concealer लगा रहे हो, remember that you want a lifted effect. So to get that, make sure you apply it in your inner corner and in your outer corner, rather than the triangle Instagrammable concealer hack that you keep seeing. That's so 2016. Foundation done, concealer done. And now I'm going to move on to cream contour, and for that I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now why I'm using this is because I'm using all cream products to achieve this glowy makeup look. Now I'm going to use this cream product, and then I'm going to follow it up with my bronzer, which is a powder bronzer. Remember guys, एक tip कि पहले सारे क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स फिनिश कर लो, उसके बाद पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स पे जाना. ट्रस्ट मी, यू डोंट वांट टू डू अ क्रीम पाउडर सिचुएशन. इट्स जस्ट गोना मेक योर मेकअप लुक वेरी वेरी केकी. अब मैं सबका जगत फेवरेट, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू फाइनली blend out this cream concealer to give my face some definition, as you guys can see. Okay, so now I'm quickly going to bronze my face using a powder bronzer, and I'm using the Fenty bronzer in the shade Island Ting. Now this is one of my favorite bronzers, but if you're looking for something a little more affordable, you can definitely check out the ELF bronzer, and it's available in India, guys. And इसको मैं use कर रही हूँ एक angled brush के साथ, because this gives you the most flawless application in terms of bronzers. As you guys can see, I'm going in a 3 motion, and that's the way you should be technically applying your bronzer, the same way you applied your cream contour. Now let's put on some blush, because we are done with our bronzer. Blush किधर है? Why do I end up losing things? Oh. So now I'm going to be using the Sephora blush, and it's in the shade number 6, and it's a really nice bright pink, and it's going to look great, and it actually matches the one that Katrina is wearing in this. Now she's wearing a very subtle blush, but I have to add my touch to it, so I'm going to be doing the blush a little intense, and you're going to see that as I wear the makeup out throughout the day, it's going to get lighter. And trust me guys, this blush is one of the best ones on the market. Blush done, and now I'm going to powder my under eyes and anywhere else on my face जहाँ मुझे लग रहा है बहुत शाइन हो गई है, right? Because our goal is कि हमारे cheeks shiny दिखे and overall makeup glowy दिखे, but oily ना दिखे. So for that very purpose, I'm going to be using one of my favorite powders, which is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush to use the powder under my eyes. So अब बात करते हैं सबके फेवरेट पार्ट की, जो है eye makeup. Now Katrina's eye makeup look is quite minimal with thick fluffy lashes. So उसके लिए the first product that I'm going to use is one of my favorite palettes. It's the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be diving into two shades. One is this peach right here, and then the other one is this terracotta shade, which is a darker version of the same color to build up some intensity. And I'm going to be using a fluffy brush for it. Now I'm going to be switching to the darker terracotta shade, and I'm going to use a denser, fluffier brush for it. And I'm going to use it all over my lid, by the way, guys. ये ना थोड़ी intensity build कर देता है product की, and the look is going to look very close to what Katrina has done. Now I'm going to take this darker shade once again, and I'm going to do my under eyes, guys. And मैं brush बिल्कुल भी change नहीं कर रही हूँ. It's the same damn brush. As you guys can see, this adds so much depth to the eye look. And it's just going to balance the whole thing out, and trust me, when I wear mascara, it's going to look amazing. So guys, जैसा कि आप इस फोटो में देख रहे हैं कि कटरीना की eyelashes बहुत fluffy और long और curled दिख रही हैं. Now she might have used fake eyelashes, but I want to avoid that. So I'm going to teach you this trick, और भाई ये लिख के ले लो. It's going to work 100%. So what you're basically going to do is, you are going to use two mascaras. Now these are my two favorite and most affordable mascaras on the planet, and they get the job done. One is the Maybelline Hyper Curl, and the second one is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Now one of these mascaras is a curling mascara, and the other one is a volumizing and lengthening one. Trust me, when you curl your lashes and then use a mascara that volumizes and lengthens it, your lashes are going to give exactly the same effect as what hers are giving right now. Okay guys, now I'm going to be using the second mascara, and I'm going to volumize and lengthen my lashes using this one. Wait, I can't stop making that ugly face. I just can't stop making that. I think that's every girl ever like applying mascara. I feel like, are you going to put this in the blooper in the actual video? Okay guys, so अभी मेरी lashes हो गई हैं, and I think my makeup is done, but we have 2-3 more steps that's just going to be the cherry on top of this beautiful look. Now I'm going to go in with everyone's favorite part. I'm going to use the highlighter. Yes, it's my favorite part, and just I can't wait for the glow. Oh, and as you guys can see, I'm using the Dior highlighter palette, and I'm using an angled brush. For the same, I'm just going to be mixing all the shades because I think they look beaut. I'm eyeballing it. We're just doing it on our cheekbones, on both sides, a little bit on the nose, Cupid's bow, and brow bone here and there. Okay, last but not the least, we're at the lips, and now we are doing the lipstick, which I'm using one of my favorite shades, and it's a universal favorite, the MAC Velvet Teddy for it. And I think that's the closest shade I have been able to find. I can't even open a lipstick properly, you guys. But it's the closest shade I could find to what Katrina is wearing, and I'm just gonna dab it very slowly. Now my lips look a little too matte, and I've seen that cats look a little too glossy. So मैं अभी ये two-faced extreme lip injection लेने वाली हूँ, and it's basically a gloss, it's a plumping gloss, and मैं ये लेके I'm just going to be topping up a little bit so my lips become a little glossy. अच्छा, अभी लास्ट स्टेप है, मुझे भी पता है, मुझे भी जाना है, तो I'm going to be using this makeup setting spray now. It's quite an affordable one from Swiss Beauty, and I'm just going to be spritzing it all over my face, and this is my favorite part, and just wait and see how this boosts your glow. So this is the finished look, and guys, do you see how glowy and dewy my makeup looks? अभी भी बोलोगे कि ऑयली स्किन वालों को SPF और मॉइस्चराइजर नहीं लगाना चाहिए? The reason behind my glow is the Foxtail moisturizer and SPF. Guys, good skin prep equals good makeup. लिख के ले लो. आपका तो पता नहीं, but मुझे बहुत मजा आया ये look recreate करके. And if you guys want to see more of these looks, do leave a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And make sure you follow us on Instagram at Foxtail Skin. Thank you so much guys. I'm Meher from Foxtail and I'll see you very soon on the next video. So make sure you leave your suggestions for the next videos down below in the comments. Bye. अरे सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.